Hello children, in this class we are going to start chapter number 6 and the name of the chapter is food, our basic need. Okay, we all know that in order to live we have to eat various types of foods, and in this chapter we are going to learn about various type of foods. Okay, let's start. Sort the following food items into plant and animal products. Fill in the table given below. Okay, some pictures of some various types of foods are given here, and you have to categorize them with plant products and animal products. Some food we get from plants and some foods we get from animals. So categorize them according to them. Okay, next, why do we need food? In our day-to-day life, we do many activities such as going to school, studying, playing, going for a walk, dancing, swimming, etc. So, in order to do all these works, we need energy, and food is the thing from which we get energy. And we must eat the healthy food, and this makes us fit, keeps us fit. Food groups, we all know there are various types of foods. We can categorize them according to their work, according to their function. Okay, and some substances are present in the food that helps the body to grow and stay healthy. They are called nutrients. The components that are present in the food and they make our body healthy and fit, they are called nutrients. খাবারের মধ্যে যেসব জিনিসগুলো আমাদের বডিকে হেলদি এবং ফিট রাখে তাদেরকে আমরা নিউট্রিয়েন্টস বলি. The main nutrients found in the food are some nutrients are carbohydrates, proteins, fat, vitamins and minerals. Okay, and food also contains roughage and water. These are all the nutrients. Okay, and we can categorize them based on what nutrients the food contains. They are grouped into three groups: energy giving food, body building food and protective food. Okay, first we learn about carbohydrates, one of the nutrients. Okay, carbohydrates are known as energy giving food because this type of food gives us energy. Okay, and there are two types of carbohydrates present in the food. They are sugar and starch. You can see in the picture, these all food contain carbohydrates: wheat, rice, potato, sweet potato, etc. And the people who do more physical work, they need much amount of carbohydrates than the people who do not use their physical ability. Okay, and they works in an office all day. যেসব মানুষেরা খুব শারীরিক পরিশ্রম করেন তাদের বেশি কার্বোহাইড্রেট দরকার হয়, যারা অফিসে সারাদিন বসে থাকেন তাদের. নেক্সট, প্রোটিনস. ওকে, the food that contains proteins, they are called body building foods because protein help our body to grow. Okay, and they help to repair our torn out tissues and cells. They build our muscles. Okay, and growing children need more proteins than adults because they are growing. Their organs are building, so they need more protein than adults. Okay, and you can see here some food that contains proteins are fish, meat, and milk, cheese, pulses, all contains protein. প্রোটিন হচ্ছে, প্রোটিনকে বলা হয় বডি বিল্ডিং ফুড, তার কারণ প্রোটিন আমাদের শরীর গড়তে সাহায্য করে। আর এই ছবিতে তোমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছ কয়েকটা প্রোটিন আছে, এরকম কয়েকটা ফুডের ছবি। নেক্সট, ফ্যাটস। ওকে, you can see here all these food items contains fats. Okay, like they are oil, butter, ghee, cream, cheese, paneer and nuts. Okay, fats gives us fat also gives us energy, and they provide more energy than carbohydrates, but our body needs small amount of fat. It is not good to consume excess amount of fat because it is not good for our health. If you consume much amount of fat, your body weight increase. এখানে যে খাবারগুলো দেখতে পাচ্ছ এগুলো হচ্ছে ফ্যাট থাকে এতে, এবং আমাদের ফ্যাট দরকার হয়। ফ্যাট আমাদের এনার্জি দেয়, কিন্তু খুবই স্মল অ্যামাউন্টে দরকার হয়, খুবই কম দরকার হয়। যদি বেশি ফ্যাট আমরা খেয়ে নিই তাহলে আমাদের বডি ওয়েট বেড়ে যাবে। নেক্সট next nutrients are vitamin and minerals. Okay, our body needs vitamin and minerals in small quantity, and they help our body to protect from various diseases. Okay, that's why they are called protective food. That's why the food that contains vitamins and minerals, they are called protective food. You can see here some picture of vegetables are here. They are all full of vitamins. Fresh fruit, leafy vegetables, pulses, cereals, milk are some important sources of vitamins and minerals. Eggs, okay, they are the important source of vitamins and minerals. Okay, now we are going to discuss about some minerals. Okay, minerals such as iron and calcium, they are required to keep our body healthy and strong. আয়রন অ্যান্ড ক্যালসিয়াম নামের যে দুটো মিনারেলস আছে, এই দুটো আমাদের বডিকে হেলদি ও স্ট্রং রাখে। ক্যালসিয়াম মেক্স বোনস অ্যান্ড টিথ স্ট্রং। মিল্ক, কার্ড অ্যান্ড নাটস আর সাম ক্যালসিয়াম রিচ ফুড। ওকে, calcium, the minerals calcium, they help our body, they help our they make our bones and teeth strong. And milk, কার্ড মিন্স, কার্ড মানে হচ্ছে দই, এবং নাট, এগুলো হচ্ছে কয়েকটা ক্যালসিয়াম রিচ ফুডস। ওকে, lack of iron in our body makes us feel tired and weak. Green leafy vegetables, oranges and apples are some iron rich food. Okay, if our body lacks of iron, we feel weak. Okay, and some iron rich foods are leafy vegetable, oranges, apples, etc. To get minerals, we should eat vegetables, fruit, egg, fish, meat, salt and cereals. Okay, in order to get all the type of minerals, we eat all the types of food, not only one type of food. Like you have to eat vegetables, you have to eat fruit, egg, fish, milk, salt, cereals, all types of foods. in our food list we have to consume raw veg. Raw veg is a fiber, okay, and it is present in various types of vegetables, fruits, cereals. This raw veg or this fiber do not they cannot be digested, but they help our body to help our food to go smoothly throughout our body, and the removal of waste from our body, they do it very smoothly. That's why we need fiber in our body. Water, you all know, water is very important for our body. It helps in digestion and maintains the body temperature. Our body loses water through sweat, breath, and urine. In order to make up for this loss, we should drink plenty of water every day. You should drink plenty of water every day, because we lose water through our sweat, through our breath, and urine. It is very important to keep our water level in our body very healthy. Okay, balanced diet. Balanced diet means you must have a plan for your meals. Okay, if you plan this, you will get the right amount of nutrients. Here a diet chart is given. Okay, a balanced diet is a meal that contains carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin, minerals, water, and fiber in the right proportion. To stay healthy, we should always have a balanced diet. We all must have a balanced diet. This balanced diet helps keep our body healthy. Okay. Here you can see this is drinks. Avoid sugary drink. Drink 2 liters of water daily. Avoid sugary drinks. Sugary drinks means the soft drink you have drink, that Coca Colas or 7 Ups like that. They are all sugary drinks. They are not good for our health. You just drink plain water 2 liters a day. প্রত্যেক দিন 2 লিটার মিনিমাম ওয়াটার সবাইকে খেতেই হবে। নেক্সট, দিস ইজ চিজ। Next, this is dairy, the milk product. Okay, you have to drink milk, and that milk must be low fat milk. Okay, next, vegetables. Make half your meals fruits and vegetables. The food you eat, make half of your meal vegetables and fruits. Next, meat. This is protein. We get protein from meat. Proteins: prefer white meat. Eat more vegetarian protein. Try to eat vegetarian protein. Grains are wheat and rice. Eat whole grains. It is very important for us. And this is fruits. Eat essential fruit by local grown products. Okay, this is the balanced diet or diet chart. Here you can see grains, the amount by which, by a bar chart, we can understand that what amount of food we eat. Grains and vegetables half, fruits smaller than vegetables, dairy smaller than fruit, proteins little bit more than dairy, and you have to drink water more. Okay students, that's all for now. We will continue this chapter in the next class. Thank you.